Hello again. Welcome back to our English podcast for beginners. This is A1, episode 2, and today we'll learn how to introduce yourself in English. When you meet someone for the first time, it's nice to tell them your name and ask for theirs. Let's listen to a short example. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
We use "What's your name?" to ask politely, and we answer "My name is," or simply "I'm." Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. What's your name? My name is your name. I'm your name. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Great job. You did amazing. You're doing so well. You can now greet people and introduce yourself. That's real progress. See you in the next A1 episode where we'll learn how to ask simple questions. Bye-bye.